In this short tutorial, you will learn how to easily turn off the camera mirror effect on your Samsung smartphone. Many people find it frustrating when their selfies appear flipped after they have captured them. I will go through a step-by-step process to disable this mirror effect, allowing you to save your selfies and selfie videos exactly as they appear in the preview without any flipping. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the camera app on your Samsung phone and then tap on the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on the camera settings page, scroll down a bit, and under the selfies section, you'll see this option. Save selfies as previewed. Save selfies and selfie videos as they appear in the preview without flipping them. Go ahead and toggle on this switch to enable this option. And now your selfies and selfie videos won't be flipped, they will be exactly like you see in the camera viewfinder. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.